Okay, in the box you'll see these contents: the control box, the remote battery, and a AC cable. So to pair the remote with the unit, first you want to plug in the unit to AC output and then remove the battery cover, hold on to the power button, and then insert the battery. And then release. You'll see that the screen will turn full when it's pairing, like that, full. And then after 5 to 20 seconds, you hold the power button and release. Now we can look at the attic temperature and the room temperature. Now the attic temperature is paired. At this time, the remote is successfully paired with the control unit.